Hi, my name is Bhavya and I'm South India Director of Harish and Anand & Company and also the author of an upcoming book, The Garment Book. Today we're going to show you a flat seamer. This flat seamer is made completely in Taiwan. Come closer, I'm going to show you some of the features. As you can see, this machine is used to join two pieces of fabric. The model number is DLP703P-A-GX-G4-460-DS-PLA-VD and exclusively available at Harish and Anand & Company. This is basically used for athleisure wear, any kind of body hugging clothes where you have the stitch extremely close to your body or touches your body. This is a friction-free garment. This is extremely smooth so that it never pinches or never disturbs your body. It's usually used by Nike, Adidas and all the high-end athleisure goods that are body hugging. Again, the machine is made in Taiwan, extremely reliable, extremely durable. We've sold over 1,000 of these machines. Thank you.